Hi, this is Prayas from No Nonsense Airbnb, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can block or unblock dates on your Airbnb calendar. To be able to do this easily, it's better you log in from your computer. You can do this from phone app as well, but it's not as easy as it is from a computer. So once you're on your computer, just type airbnb.com in your browser, and then the screen should look more or less like this. They keep changing the photographs or the layout, but don't be confused. You just need to click on switch to hosting on the top right screen, or you can simply type in the URL airbnb.com/hosting, and that will also take you to the same place. So once you click on switch to hosting, then you land on your hosting dashboard, and then you can simply click on the calendar, which is the third option in the middle of the screen. You can see that will take you to your calendar of the property. And let's say I want to change, because I have multiple properties, you will see several. If you have just one property, you will see one calendar view, which is going to be slightly different from what you're seeing at the moment. And it should appear like this. Once the calendar is loaded, you will see all your available and booked dates. And let's say if I want to block the certain dates, I want to block from 20th to 23rd. As soon as you click on the dates, you will see there is on the right hand side, there is this option menu that pops up where you can just click on edit and then change the availability. You can either mark it open or you can mark it closed. That will change the availability of those dates. You can choose multiple dates as well. So the best way to choose multiple dates is drag them, right? You can just click on one date and then keep your left mouse button pressed and then drag the dates, and that chooses those dates. You can simply click on edit and then just mark it as open or closed, and that will take care of blocking the calendar for those dates. It's very simple. I hope you find this video useful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, all the best.